Hey guys, what's going on? I got a little bit of a treat here for you. This is a international version of the Simplex 4001. As you can see here, I'm not even going to try to pronounce that, but yeah. Fully functioning panel. I pulled it out at work. Very good panel. For some reason the reset takes a little bit longer than our version, the US version anyway. But yeah, so this is the kind of the layout. Battery, get my camera to focus here for you. I don't know if you can see that well, but yeah. Here's the power information. I do have a pull station hooked up. I don't have any horns hooked up to it, but I thought you guys could use a little demonstration. So, it has the same type of piezo that we're used to seeing. I'll also take off the cover so you can kind of see what it looks like on the inside. I'll go over the buttons in just a second here. Of course, since it's a Simplex panel, I thought I'd go with the Simplex T-bar. So, yeah. Alright, so now I will go into the signal silence button. Signal silenced. Okay. Let me reset the pull station here. The right key? Okay, yeah, I do. Sorry, I apologize. It's hard to do with one hand here. Alright. Pull station is reset. So, let's reset the panel. As you can see, it's a little bit louder than, or not louder, but longer than the other panel. Now it's going to bring in trouble because there's no battery. Treble silence. This does have a alarm auxiliary disconnect, a drill switch, your treble silence, signal silence, and then your reset. So yeah, that's basically basically the front of the panel. Now let's get into the inside of the panel. Here's your transformer. Obviously your battery area. So just give me 1 second while I take off this cover. That's one thing different about this panel. It does not have the little pins that you just pull out to remove the cover. This has screws on it. Try to do this very carefully here. Alright. So, here's kind of what it looks like with the cover. Take that off. Here's the inside of that. Here's your dip switch settings. I'm assuming it's the same situation. Dip switch 1 is your walk test, and then the other dip switches can be used for setting your different coating options. Obviously, these are your zones up here, auxiliary controls, and then your signal circuit input. A bunch of relays over here, fuses, and obviously that big, loud, annoying piezo, and then your input power. So, yeah. So what am I going to do? I'm going to put this into walk test, if I can, without blowing anything up. Alright. Now, why don't we pull this pull station and see if it goes back to normal. Okay, it looks like it did do the walk test feature. Put that back to normal. It stops buzzing. Alright. Now we're back to normal, so we're in regular alarm mode. This is your power supply trouble LED. This is just notifying me that, hey, you don't have any batteries in here, you should probably put some in there. And then over here is the signal trouble LED. So, but yeah, that's basically just layout of the panel. It's pretty much similar to the other panel, the other 4001. But yeah, so I thought this was a different panel. I thought I'd give you guys show you what it looks like and how that works and everything. So, but yeah, any questions, just let me know. I'd be glad to either do another video or answer them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a good night.